this is the actual bowl itself. This is the attachment that goes onto the vacuum cleaner, which extends, and this is where the dust and the particles and all that, and all the dirt travel up to. Alright, and to attach it, it will attach just like that. Very simple. And oh, this is a very nice feature. This button over here, if it's pulled back, it enables the actual body part of the vacuum to extend, so in case it's needed for longer, for those hard to reach places, or maybe far back. Alright, so just put that there like that, let that extend. Alright, it seems like this is part of the charging station itself as well, so we'll leave this here just on the side for now. Alright, I don't know what that part could be, but we'll have to look in around in a bit. Alright, so we got one more box in here to see. Let's see what we can get from it. Alright, I'm sure this is obviously part of the charging station now with the base and other stuff. Alright. Oh no, this first is the vacuum attachments. There's more vacuum attachments to it. You can never get too many vacuum attachments. And they're all these different heads are meant for different ways of cleaning based on what you want to clean. So obviously it's kind of like a golf club. Each club is meant for a different type of swing or a different type of hit. So obviously you have your different attachment heads for cleaning different parts of the house or wherever it is. That's that. And it seems like we have two of the main drivers. Let's have a look. So this is the main head that you attach to, I'm assuming. Yeah. This is meant for carpets. So as you can see, it's got that very nice roller and that drive there. So that goes, obviously spins around. That looks very nice as well. As you can see, we've got the brand over there as well as the actual device name, CordZero. Alright, I'll put that to the side and let's have a look as to what this one is. And seems like this one is made for carpet. Yeah, this one looks like it's for carpet. As you can see, it's got that material that's used for carpet, as opposed to this one over here, this head, which is meant for floor also. Alright. So I'm really impressed with the amount of attachments that you get with the CordZero in itself. So if we lay them out on the floor, 1, 2. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Actually, 8 different attachments to the vacuum itself. So as we can see by the amount of attachments that it has, the vacuum itself is very versatile and very effective at cleaning different parts and different areas of the house. So far, I'm really impressed with how it is. Alright. And we do have the last piece in the box itself, and I'm assuming this is the actual stand or the base for the charging system itself. Alright, so as you can see, that's standing there, and if we were to attach some parts to it, okay, so this is the actual body in which it connects to here. So I would have to know if I was to attach that down there. I could be doing this wrong for all I know, but let's just have a look. So, there we go. So that attaches down there, and that is all connected. And so that's the base itself. I'll turn this around. So that's the base itself. And let's see where this can attach. This will attach to that section, or is it there? Okay, we'll have a look anyways. So, I'm assuming that this will attach like this. It's much better like that, and this will be attached. Just bear with me. It's probably a manual actually. I think that's much more better to have a look at that. I can cut. So this is part 2 now. I've already started with the base of the LG CordZero power station, and then we have this attachment. This just slides onto here. And then we can add just this attachment here as to where the battery as well as the compartment holders of the different heads go to. So it just attaches on here to the back. That just slides right nicely tight and fit like that. And it goes, this can go down here. Alright, so this is the charging station base in itself. We already have a battery in the Dyson vacuum as well, and so this battery charging station will just fit into this area over here. As you can see, we have the plugs that connect to the battery itself, and we have that there, so you kind of want to just attach it just like that, and yeah, that will attach the battery there and start the charger. Okay, and now we have this cord. You want to essentially attach this, you can stand this anywhere near a wall where there's a power point, and then you've got to connect this over here just on the back. When we, and I'll do this later when we go to the area we're going to put it, that connects into there, and that goes down. And what's really neat about this is it actually has a cord holder. So if I was to detach that, it'll run right down through there. It'll be held by these points here, and that'll be a bit of like cord management, and then you can attach the plug onto the wall. Alright, so with that said, we do have accessory parts and accessories that we can attach onto here. So most likely we'll probably just attach some other ones, maybe just this one over here. Maybe not that one there, but maybe something shorter because we have this attachment over here. There we go. One attachment, and we have this attachment. There we go. And so the rest, one will be attached to the vacuum cleaner itself. So we'll probably start on that now. I'm gonna attach this one over here. There we go. And to essentially connect it, all you gotta do is just this part over here where, I'm sure, yeah, this part over here with this big line. Oops, maybe not. Let's have a look. There we go. Sorry, the battery. Where the battery pack is, it will be held by these 2 points here. You've got one on this side and then the other side as well. And then you've got your vacuum cleaner resting. And essentially, this is what it would look like. As you can see, it's very neat. It's very small, so it doesn't take up a lot of space itself. Yeah, the really great thing about this vacuum cleaner is it is extremely powerful. So let's just take that out. So that's the back. And then we have the side. So make sure you go to part 2 of the demonstration on how I would use the vacuum cleaner and how powerful the vacuum cleaner can actually be. Alright, so we're gonna detach it, and this is a very nice length for me, but if you wanted, remember we can always extend this part of the vacuum cleaner. And I'm essentially going to press the power button once, and we'll start it off at the lowest setting. So this is the lowest setting in itself. As you can hear, it's very, very loud and ready. And then we're gonna go up one more level. I think this is high. And then, yep, so there's only 3 levels, and I'm gonna hold it for 3 seconds, and you'll be able to hear the motor pick up a notch. So yeah, that's how strong it is. So yeah, very nice. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as always. Make sure you comment. Let me know anything about the vacuum if you guys do have one here itself. And thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.